a short break. Stay with us. We have sports coming up on the other side.
कला और संस्कृति का संगम असम। यहाँ पाए बिहू की सुनहरी धूप, बैशागु के अनोखे रूप, मन मोहे बागे राजा, बादीमा निराले रंग का, लाए दामाही की कौन खुशियां चुनकर, खुशबू घोले झूमर, इंद्रधनुषी कला संस्कृति बढ़ाए प्रेम और संप्रीति, विभिन्नता में एकता, असम की विशेषता। A grand felicitation ceremony was held at Manipur's Khuman Lampak Indoor Complex on Tuesday, the 12th of August, to congratulate and show the state's pride for the medal winners and participants of the state who had taken part in the recently Commonwealth Games at Glasgow. The ceremony was led by State Chief Minister O. Ibobi Singh and Governor Shri V.K. Duggal, PHED Minister Shri Hemo Chandra, besides other dignitaries, and thronged by sports people, students and general public. The happy occasion started with the Honorable Governor expressing his pride in sports people of the state. First gold medal winner for India, weightlifter Khumukcham Sanjita was called on the dais first and honoured with Rs 15 lakh. She was followed by silver medalists who all received Rs 10 lakh each, including weightlifter Saikhom Mirabai Chanu, boxers L. Sarita and Laishram Devendro, hockey players K.H. Kothajit and K. Chingran Sana Singh, diving silver medalist Ramananda Rajbihari Sharma and others. Bronze medalists received Rs 8 lakh, while participants who could not win this time and team officials received Rs 2 lakh each. Public ceremonies like this encourage the youth to follow in the footsteps of the achievers. Some, like boxer L. Sarita Devi, who has won silver, recounted how she had to work very hard to come back to boxing after the birth of her boy, who is now 2-year-old. The rewards go a long way to encourage sports and sports people and boost their morale to practice harder to win greater glories in the future.
Sana ina Commonwealth Games da silver ko jam nungai bagi madak da muga hena kaya tare mamang da ina London Olympic da pogi banu pado adumuk da mangon da dum ai mai moto ani sore mai thire aduna adu kitang nungai tabdi phawe du ai mathang lakadori ba Asian Game adagi lakadaba World Championships dagi mu amuka hena amuk handana gold silver phang mathang da gold phang na ba ikan tawdana training ka ting dawjari
makada huji yam nakna Asian Game lai ko Asian Game asida Asian Game da ai medal Hojik yam nakla abani training to matam su haidi kitang su phang bati khra ware adu ta su ai Asian Game da medal law ngam na ge ai hona ge na yam thina kala khallaga practice tawjari Olympic ya sani gen sana doi habidi Asian Games sida kai gumbai na medal chang ta de ai direct Olympic qualify ne aduga sida ai changok da batara na World Championship ko de no da concept World Championship ang lai jari ba sida last Olympic qualify ne adu ai hana ki Olympic sida ai sure yaw go ne na kanje.
Singers from the Northeast are making their mark countrywide. Obed Zemi of Nagaland is one such talented singer who recently released his first album in New Delhi. Our report.
After 10 years of teaching and playing music with various bands, talented Naga musician Obed Zeme finally launched his solo musical album called The Kanan Caravan, sponsored by Tata Nano Twist in New Delhi's pub Blue Frog, with social activist Katyona Child as chief guest. The fact that Delhi is a chosen and favorite destination for launch of new ventures by artists and entrepreneurs of the Northeast itself speaks volumes in favor of the national capital. Zeme says he blossomed in Delhi after meeting many musicians here. A self-taught musician himself, Zeme, who performed many of his instrumental numbers on the occasion, has taught music to artists of many well-known bands like Minutes of Decay, Vinyl Records, and singer Polkan Luku.
Oh, don't you feel like playing the fool? Just step out the line and break all the rules. Don't you let them tell you it's not for you. When you grow, before you are there, stay young, keep the wheels on motion.
He also works with the Yamaha India, wherein he auditions and chooses teachers for the Yamaha schools of music.
I have never learned anything from anybody. I think it's a God's gift to me. It comes, naturally. So when I say this, people don't believe. But of course, I have studied myself. But I have never learned from somebody. I don't have teacher as such. Of course, I have learned from, mostly from listening and studying myself, and then maybe through videos around, or But when we start learning, there was no YouTube, there was no videos, But we mostly listened, and with a cassette player, doing all the forward rewind, and trying to play those tunes. So that's how I've learned.
Well friends, it's time now for us to wrap up the show. If you wish to earn some easy pocket money, answer a simple question. Name one singer from Nagaland and one from Assam. Rush in your answers to youth_folio@yahoo.com or SMS to 94354 Meanwhile, here are the names of the contest winners of the week.
For our contest section, we had asked you to name 3 historical tourist spots of Delhi. All the 3 winners have named India Gate, Red Fort and Jama Masjid. The winners are Jitumoni Gogoi from Guwahati, Assam, Irong Bamsur Kumar from Thoubal, Manipur, and Reshmi Das from Agartala, Tripura.
Congratulations to 3 of you. We will send your gift check shortly. Do not forget to answer our contest question or to tune into Youth Folio next week at the same time, that is at 4:30 p.m. and on the same channel, that is at DD Northeast. Until then, goodbye, take care.